Question number 1. The speed of sound is highest in option A, air, option B, water, option C, steel, option D, vacuum. The correct answer is option C, steel. Next question. Question number 2. The unit of solid angle is option A, degree, option B, radian, option C, steradian, option D, circle. The correct answer is option C, steradian. Next question. Question number 3. The first law of thermodynamics is a restatement of option A, Newton's second law, option B, conservation of energy, option C, law of entropy, option D, conservation of mass. The correct answer is option B, conservation of energy. Next question. Question number 4. The SI unit of pressure is option A, Dine per square centimeter, option B, bar, option C, millimeters of mercury, option D, Pascal. The correct answer is option D, Pascal. Next question. Question number 5. The dimension of Planck's constant is option A, ml squared t to the power of negative 1. Option B, ml squared t to the power of negative 2. Option C, mlt to the power of negative 2. Option D is in m squared l squared t to the power of negative 3. The correct answer is option A, ml squared t to the power of negative 1. Next question, question number 6. The half-life of a radioactive substance depends on option A, pressure, option B, temperature, option C, nature of the substance, option D, volume. The correct answer is option C, nature of the substance. Next question. Question number 7. The magnetic moment of a current-carrying loop is proportional to option A, current only, option B, radius only, option C, area only, option D, current and area. The correct answer is option D, current and area. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following has the lowest frequency? Option A, gamma rays, option B, X-rays, option C, radio waves, option D, ultraviolet rays. The correct answer is option C, radio waves. Next question. Question number 9. The efficiency of a Carnot engine depends on option A, heat absorbed only, option B, heat rejected only, option C, work done only, option D, temperatures of source and sink. The correct answer is option D, temperatures of source and sink. Next question. Question number 10. Which law is associated with the phenomenon of induced electromotive force? Option A, Faraday's law. Option B, Lenz's law. Option C, Ampere's law. Option D, Ohm's law. The correct answer is option A, Faraday's law.